Coach and Michael Kors, step up. Kate Spade, get it together. MCM, what you doing? Hey guys, it's your girl Viewsfromriah, the one and only I'm gonna know better than this, and today I'm back here with another video. As you guys can tell by the title, it's gonna be another unboxing of the Glamaholic tote travel size bags or travel set. If you guys don't know who Glamaholic is or the Glamaholic Lifestyle, it is a black owned business. Her name is Miaray. She sells hair, bags, wallets, passports, a whole bunch of stuff. I'm gonna link her Instagram right here. But like she sells everything with like a drop date. So she only has it on her drop date and that's it. You got to be on the website right at 8 o'clock or right at whatever time she says it's going to drop at. And then after that, you either get your product or you don't get your product. You got to wait for her to give another drop date. I found out from Mia, from my mom. My mom was following this lady called, well, FBF Body is her Instagram page. But her name, I think her name was like Za. But yeah, she's found this lady from FBF, and Mia went to her party and like gave out tote bags. So that's where my mom found out about the Glamaholic Lifestyle. It was like talking about her bags and stuff like that. She was always sending me different pictures and posts from her and everything, waiting for her next release date to actually happen. It was right before spring break, because spring break was February 28th through like March 8th. I am home again for my coronation. I start online classes Monday until April 6th. Glamaholic meets Hampton, so hopefully, you know, we will go back April 6th and I will be able to bring my nice little handbag back to school. So, you know, she always wants to support black-owned businesses and everything. She's been waiting for her to drop this date. So my mom, she ended up getting, the black-on-black matte, and then I got the pink metallic bag. Two set. It comes with a duffel and an actual tote. Okay, so in this video, I'm actually going to unbox my bags and my mom's bag. So let's get right into the video. These are two bags that actually came yesterday in the mail. So, you know, hey, still a good time. Even the 14 days or whatever. And then with these packages, she always makes them like you have to actually go sign for it. Like, but you know, I guess that makes sense because these bags are actually very expensive. And you wouldn't want anyone taking your stuff. I did say that they are expensive, but she does offer Quad Pay or PayPal. Comes for how much you pay for it and stuff like that. It comes with the card that talks about, you know, so her logo is a G for Glamaholic. But she has a fashion blog, she has a hair page, a hair extension website and everything like that, and she still has the actual Glamaholic Lifestyle. So yeah, this is in there. It's a care tip page, you know, pretty much to tell you how to care for your bag. This is actually Mia right here. I know that she's like originally from Michigan. Here's one. Here's another. Another one. So first, it already comes with like a plastic covering over the actual dust bag. So that's a plus. You know, she wants to make sure that it's extra protected. I do not know what color this one is. We're just gonna see. Okay, I'm loving it already, and this is just the dust bag. Sheesh. Okay, you know, it's satin. Ooh, real nice with a nice G on it, because you know we a G, we a Glamaholic. Comes with some paper inside. Okay, so I guess, you know, so it won't bend or anything like that. This is actually my bag. That pink metallic, ladies and gents. I'm actually so excited. Hold on, guys. What? Let me take out the bag. I don't even want to touch it. I should have put on some gloves. Y'all, I just want you to get into this bag. What? Hold on. Just zoom in one more time. Hold on, let me show you guys the bottom. This is actually cuter than I thought it would be. Definitely has two handles. Okay, so this is the pink metallic with the pink insides. Most of her bags come with the pink inside. That's like her signature, because I think pink is one of her favorite colors. But yes, this is how it looks inside. Real nice and pink. You got the miaray right here because her name is Mia Ray. A nice zipper. Hold on. Yes, yes. Okay. I'm loving that. Then you have 2 pockets right here. 1 and 2. And then look, I know you guys seen these clips. You can even clip it just like that for it to stay closed. It doesn't have a zipper, but you can just clip it and it'll be fine. Oh man, do not let me come into class with this bag on. I'm telling you, can't wait until we get back to school because your girl is definitely popping this out. This thing is, even though it got feet at the bottom, I don't plan on putting it on the floor. I don't. But it looks like it definitely can fit a lot of stuff. I see people, they put like notebooks, laptops in here, you know, water bottles, a whole bunch of different stuff in here, and it still fits and it's still lightweight. But I know that there is a way for you to actually make this a smaller bag. Hold on. Okay guys, so I can't really seem to figure out how she tightened it so it can be like a smaller type of tote. This is my pink metallic Glamaholic bag. What? Let me give you guys a 360. So clean, so fresh and so clean. Flatten it down just like that. Boom. Good to go. Now let's get his partner out. Hopefully it's a duffel that matches mine. Yep, it is. Paper and the lovely bag. Y'all, comes with some stuff right here. The duffel bag also has feet on it, you know. That's how it looks. Oh, okay. Just look at it, guys. Hold on, let me bring it out for you. Y'all, look at this. This thing is nice. Let me zoom in for you one more time on the duffel though. Yep. Nice metallic handles, you know. Okay. I'm going to tell you why these are here in a second. Look at, I'm so excited. Hold on, let me show you how it is like this. Boom. Boom. What? See how big this thing is? She said that she's packed for 2 people in all her duffel bags. This is how it looks inside. I'm just loving this like pink interior. Woo! Coach and Michael Kors, step up. Kate Spade, get it together. MCM, what you doing? Anyway, so it comes with this, you know, little handle so you can put on if you just want to carry on over your shoulder. That special, just pink metallic to match your bag. You can have it, you can adjust the band or whatever. Comes with the miaray tag. You know, really lovely, really nice. Can't wait. As of right now, my next like trip won't be until like June because I'm going to Florida to stay at the Disney Resort, so stay tuned for all that. But anyway, you got 2 pockets inside just like the tote did, and then it has an inside zipper which seems a little longer than the tote was. So hold up, where's it? Okay, so maybe it's not an actual real zipper. It's just there for looks. We'll have to check that on the other bags. But anyway, still nice though. Still says miaray right there. She has a clip right here for you to clip both sides of the bag together. Pull it through, and you just button it back up. And then there you go. Everything. 2 zippers right here, so everything will be tight together. You don't gotta worry about losing anything. Easy, very easy to click on, you know. Oh, right. If you see me traveling with this, just know it's Glamaholic, baby. It don't get no better than that. Let me get out my tote, my matching tote. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This is really cute. Now we're gonna move into what my mom bag looks like. She wanted me to share it with you guys, so let's get right into it. So like I said earlier, she drops her sets and wallets and everything exclusively pretty much on her website. They're only available on a certain day, certain time. If they sell out, they sell out. If they don't, it's there until it sells out. Majority of her items sold out within like 5 minutes. We actually got on the website right at 8 p.m. Eastern time, and like already like the black and pink was already sold out or something. The men totes were sold out. I almost felt like I was buying tickets for something water or for Beyonce or something like that. That's how fast this stuff sold out. I'm like, that's how you know this is a good, you know, good quality brand product. Okay, I'm really feeling a black tote. It's the black on black matte. Yeah, it's still clean, still clean. Bring this. Yo, I'm still trying to figure out how does this actually work. Really nice, same handles. It's just matte on matte, black on black. The inside zipper, which is actually a full zipper. Yeah, there you go. And then on the other side, comes with 2 pockets. Yep, comes with 2 pockets right here. Lip gloss, phone, whatever. And here are the same clips that my bag had. The little clips right here. Put it on for you. Really nice, really nice. Okay, feeling it. Black on black matte with the G's in the side. Yes, sir. I'm pretty sure even this will, you know, catch eyes. Be like, yo, Sariah, what is that? What kind of bag is that? Oh, this is just that miaray, you know. I upgraded my lifestyle to Glamaholic. You should too. But yes, if you guys are wondering, all these bags are actually sold out. Her matching duffel bag. As you guys can see, this thing is like well packaged. She wants to make sure it doesn't get damaged, which I really appreciate. And the bags seem and feel like they are great quality, very durable. I can't wait to actually use it and try it out. Stay tuned. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl Viewsfromriah. All right. It just smells like a fresh bag. That's it. This is how it looks right out the bag. Let's take this off. And I'm telling you guys, y'all need to go ahead and follow miaray. Y'all need to go ahead and follow the Glamaholic Lifestyle on Instagram. Because I'm telling you, your favorite celebrity wants this bag. Also has the clip right here for you to clip together. Now we're going to open it. One. Boom, right there. So this side has the 2 compartments right here, pockets, deep. And then on the other side, of course, it has a zipper. Now let's see if her zipper actually is like a full zipper. But there's the miaray with the G right there. Oh no, oh no. I think I might have a faulty bag. Oh no, guys. Wow, okay. We're gonna have to figure out what that is about. But anyway, my mom's bag also comes with the clips for you to carry over your shoulder. Here's the clip. Here's the strap. There we go. Like this. You know, real nice. Hangs pretty low. This is at the original length or whatever. I didn't even adjust it or anything. Okay. Last thing. Here they both are together. So this is the second way that you can actually wear the bag, just like this. And this is still cute, even with it like this. Like, ooh. So you can wear it like this, or like this. I hope that, you know, I didn't get like a faulty bag and my zipper doesn't work in my duffel. That's the only thing I'm a little concerned about with the bag. But other than that, everything is still good. is there. It's here. There we go. Might have got stuck on something. But yeah, I'm so excited. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing, my review of my first ever Glamaholic Lifestyle tote set. Money well spent. It's affordable. But you know, you always gotta support your black business no matter how much they are. So definitely go follow her on Instagram. I'm gonna have everything linked up here, linked in my description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share to your friends. Comment down below what else you guys want to see. All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching through my eyes.